Hello my students, in Agial Language School. Today we will complete Primary 3 Math second term. We have important lesson. Please focus with me. Okay, we have lesson 81 and 82 and 83 about fraction on the number line. About fraction on the number line. How to draw fraction, how to compare between two fractions. At first, represent the fraction on the number line. Number 1, draw a line like it. This is called number line. This is called what? Number line. Number line starts by 0 because 0 is the smallest number we have. Okay, draw a line, then put the one whole, then mark 0 and 1. Okay, we mark in here 0 and in here 1, and this is called one whole. We know number line from grade 1. Number line like it. We start by 0, after 0, excellent, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, in here we will use this only from 0 to 1. This is called one whole. One whole. Okay, number 2, draw a line under the half fraction and mark 0 and 1. Okay, we know this one whole between 0 and 1. This is called 1. If we divide 1 into 2 equal parts, we will get half. And this is called half. This half and this half. Half and half equal what? Excellent. Equal 2 halves. So 1 equal 2 halves. This relation between fraction and whole number. Okay, 1 equal 2 halves. 1 equal 2 over 2. Okay, number 3. Draw a line under the third fraction, then mark 0 and 1. Okay, we mark in here 0 and in here 1, and we will divide one whole into 3 equal parts. Okay, this is the first one, and this is the second, and this is the third. Number 1 is called third, number 2 third, and third equal, excellent, 2 thirds, and we write 2 over 3. Third and third and third, excellent, equal 3 thirds, 3 over 3. So 1 equal 3 over 3. Okay, number 4, draw a line and under the quarter fraction, then mark 0 and 1. Okay, if we have one whole like it, and in here we will divide it into 4 equal parts. 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first part is called fourth or quarter. A quarter and a quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4 quarters. 4 quarters equal what? Excellent, we get one whole. So one whole equal 2 over 2 equal 3 over 3 equal 4 over 4. So we can write in here one whole equal 2 over 2. 2 halves equal 3 thirds equal 4 quarters. Is this easy? One whole equal 2 halves equal 3 thirds equal 4 fourths or 4 quarters. Is this easy? If we divide one whole into 2 equal parts, we get half and half. So one whole equal 2 halves. If we divide one whole into 3 equal parts, we get 3 thirds. If we divide one whole into 4 equal parts, we get quarter and a quarter and a quarter and a quarter 4. So one whole equal 2 halves, 3 thirds, and 4 quarters. Is this easy? Okay. In here, use the number line to compare between fractions. Number 1, use the number line to compare between 3 quarters and half. How to use the number line to compare between 3 quarter and half. Okay, we will draw half at first on the number line. Number line starts by 0 and ended by 1 whole, and we will divide it into 2 equal parts. We get half. Okay, and we will draw another number line, start from 0 to 1, but in here we will divide it into 4 equal parts because we wanted to represent 3 over 4. Okay, the first one, quarter, 2 quarters, and 3 quarters. In here we represent half and 3 quarters. Which one is bigger? From 0 up to here, or from 0 up to here? This or this? Excellent. From 0 up to 3 quarters. So the length of the black, rectangle black, this, less than the length of the blue, all of it. Or we can write half less than or smaller than 3 quarters. Is this easy? How to use a number line to compare between each 2 fractions? Okay, number 2. Use the number line to compare between half and 2/3. Okay, we will draw a line, but this line from 0 to 1 only, 1 whole, and we will divide it into 2 equal parts to represent half, like it. This is called half. From 0 to here, and we will draw another line from 0 to 1, but in here we will divide it into 3 equal parts. This is called third, and up to here is called 2/3. Okay, so the length of the black in here less than the length of the blue, so we can write half less than 2/3. Is this easy to use number line to compare between fraction? Okay. In here we have word problem. Ziad wanted to cut 1 meter piece of rope into equal pieces, for his 4 friends. He wants to cut it to give it to 4 friends. Draw a number line to show how he could cut the rope. Okay, to cut the rope, we will draw a line like it from 0 to 1, and we will divide it into 4 equal parts from here, from here, from here, and here. Okay, so which fraction of the rope each friend will get? Excellent. We have how many equal parts? Excellent. 4. And each one will take how many parts? Excellent. 1 only. So we write 1 in numerator at the top and 4 at the bottom in denominator. Okay. Remember with me, write the fraction according to the colored part. Who can write the fraction according to the colored part? To write any fraction, we write dash of fraction, dash of fraction, dash of fraction, and write the total parts we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write 6 in denominator. Okay, in here, how many equal parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 4 in denominator. In here, how many equal parts we have? Excellent, 2. So we write 2 equal parts in denominator. Is this easy? Okay. And write how many colored parts in numerator. How many colored parts in the first one? How many shaded parts? Excellent, 1 only. So we write 1 in numerator. So we get 6. Okay, number 2. How many colored parts we have? Excellent, 1 only. So we will write 1 in numerator. And this is called quarter. Excellent. Okay, number 3. How many colored parts we have? How many black parts? Excellent, 1 only. And this is called half. Is this easy how to write any fraction? We write dash of fraction and write number of colored part in numerator and total number in denominator. Is this easy? Okay, I hope you understand this lesson, how to represent any fraction on the number line, how to use it to compare between fraction, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.